Deduction, in other words, make perceptions based on your experience of life about things that you have not experienced. 10. Check where do things apply. If you want to know things that you have no experience of, you have to make generalizations and see where they apply, where they at least do not apply, and what would apply there. You generalize something by taking some single characteristic of it and by paying attention only to them. For example, cats see well in dark. Seeing well in dark. Well, if you see well in dark, you notice in darkness things that others with poor eyesight cannot notice. The usefulness in hunting and in survival. Now compare your generalization to all the cases that you can find from your picture of the world. Were your generalization right? If not, you have typically forgotten to mention some important detail. Fix it. For example, that the cat's eyes ought to be healthy. It is easiest to generalize very sure common sense truths, since the basic things of life are essential also in the world at large. Like I need food in order to stay alive. All people need food in order to stay alive, because they are like me. So arranging food for all is one of the most important questions in the whole world. But if you, for example, have in your life met one bird of a certain kind, you cannot deduce that all similar birds would be of the certain kind, but you can deduce that kind of birds do exist. Then if you meet a couple of such birds, you can deduce that there exists in that area typically that at least that kind of birds. Then if you have maybe met 100 birds in the same area and they all were alike, so you can deduce that all birds of that kind on that area tend to be like that. But that's a different thing. That's a generalization based on your observations, and not a generalization based on examining some characteristic of the bird and seeing that it leads to some other characteristics of the same bird.